Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw and deposit money on the Trove app. Now, in case you don't know, some days ago, I dropped a video about how to use the Trove app. The Trove app is an app that is used to invest in the stock market with as low as 1,000 Naira. You can invest in Nigerian stocks, you can invest in US stocks and Chinese stocks on this one app. So if you're interested in investing in the stock market and you've not started, just use the link in my description box to sign up on the Trove app. Now, I'm going to talk about how to deposit and withdraw money on the Trove app. Before I continue, if you are new to my YouTube channel, my name is Femi Olaniyan, and I make content on personal finance, cryptocurrencies, and stock market. So if you love content about all of this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, to deposit and withdraw money on the Trove app, all you have to do is to just come to my wallet on the menu. You can see here, my wallet here. So you click on my wallet, and then on your wallet, you have Naira wallet and you have dollar wallet. Now, what's the difference between the Naira wallet and the dollar wallet? It means that the money in your Naira wallet can only be used to invest in Nigerian stocks, while the money in your dollar wallet can only be used to invest in foreign stocks. Now, let's say, for example, you want to deposit money into your Naira wallet. All you have to do is just click on Naira wallet, and then you come to add funds. Once you click on add funds, you're going to pick your preferred payment method. You have bank account, fund your Trove wallet by transferring funds via local bank. And you have card payment, which you can use your MasterCard or your Valve card or your Visa card to make payment. So let's say, for example, you want to do transfer. So you just click on bank account and you click on proceed to payment. And then you'll be given a bank account number and a bank account name to send money to. Now make sure that when you are sending money to that bank account, the name must bring out the name you used to sign up while signing up on the app. So you must send money to this account number, this bank, and then this account name, and your money will reflect your Naira wallet in less than 5 minutes. Now, let's say, for example, you want to withdraw from your Naira wallet. Also, it's simple. Just click on withdraw funds, and then you can pick bank transfer, and then you proceed to payment, and then you enter the amount you want to withdraw here. And then, while you're signing up, you must have put in your bank details. So your money will be sent to your bank account immediately. So to deposit funds into your dollar wallet, all you have to do is just click on dollar wallet and then come here and click on add funds. Now, there are different ways you can add funds to your dollar wallet. You have bank account where you can do bank transfer. You have wire transfer where you can transfer money from your domiciliary or US bank account. You have card payment where you can use your Valve MasterCard or Visa card. And here you can use your USD MasterCard or Visa card to also deposit money. So let's say, for example, we don't have the MasterCard and we don't have the domiciliary account. You can use your bank account, which is you can transfer money. So you click on proceed to payment, and then you'll be given an account number and an account name to send money to, and the money will reflect in your dollar wallet in less than 2 days. You can see you have like 1 to 2 working days for it to reflect on your dollar wallet. So let's say, for example, after depositing money, you want to withdraw money from your dollar wallet. So just click on withdraw funds, and then you can withdraw funds via your bank transfer or wire transfer. Here it will transfer to your Nigerian bank account, and here the money will transfer to your domiciliary or US bank account. So if you want to transfer money to your Nigerian bank account, just click on bank transfer and click on proceed to payment, and then you enter the amount of money you want to withdraw in dollars, and then your money will be sent to your Nigerian bank account immediately. As you can see, this is the current conversion rate they are using, 488.72 Naira per dollar. So this is how you can deposit and withdraw funds on the Trove app. If you've not signed up on the Trove app, use the link in my description. You are going to get 5 shares of GT Bank or Dangote Sugar for free. Start investing in the stock market. It is very, very good. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.